Now that you know how to sign into your account, I wanted to share some of the borrowing policies from San Jose State University King Library. First of all, you will need to have an SJSU library card, and there are different borrowing privileges depending on your status as a student. For undergraduate students, you can borrow an item for up to 16 weeks from the date of your checkout, and you can't renew those items. For graduate students, the length of the time is 16 weeks, but you're allowed 5 renewals. For faculty and staff, you can borrow the items for up to 1 year of the date of checkout with up to 10 renewals. And for public patrons, they can check out for 3 weeks with 3 renewals. As far as borrowing from the CSUs, which is a resource sharing system, you can borrow books for up to 60 days without renewals, any media for up to 30 days with no renewals. For items that you've requested from SJSU or CSU Plus, an email will be sent out notifying you that it's already available for pickup and that you can pick that item up at the SJSU service desks on the ground floor.